Sprawling 2-story home with lots of updates. Downstairs family room and bedroom added in 2016. Wood furnace added to forced air furnace so heat with wood or propane. Upstairs bath and master bath updated, reverse osmosis installed, new roof in 2018. Large 2.5 attached garage, kitchen has a nice open concept complete with an island. Step outside and 6.5 acres awaits your adventures. Plenty of wildlife and a nice deck to take it all in. On hot days enjoy the above-ground pool. Located in the Winneconne School District. This one won't last long.